Now, how to build a relationship with the manufacturer, and why is this so important? Your suppliers are critical to your business success. The better you treat them, the more they are willing to continue business with you, and they will give you better service or performance than to their other customers. Now, I have found that suppliers give me a better treatment and pay me more attention when they get treated fairly, of course. I mean, you think the supplier was just waiting for your business. Think again. Established suppliers usually have a long queue of customers waiting for them. They are more likely to give priority to customers where they make more margin and to ones that are easier to deal with. Now, in my previous job, I had buyers who were very aggressive and tried to squeeze out every cent of the supplier. It was very difficult to handle these buyers, and often I couldn't find a suitable supplier for them. Even after orders were fulfilled, the buyers would often come afterwards and try to claim money for a faulty product when there was actually nothing wrong. Now, many times, just for the sake of it, they would try to get money out of the supplier, and this is just not the way I want to work with my factory. Now, I believe in a fair, respectful and trusting relationship with suppliers. You'll get what you put in. You want cheap, you get cheap. I guess it all depends on what type of product you're looking for. If you're in for fighting with competitors on Amazon or eBay, you're probably looking for the cheapest there is. But don't be surprised when your products are of really poor quality and you get bombed with bad reviews on Amazon or eBay. Now, if you want to stand out from your competition, you might as well start with good quality products, perhaps at an even higher price. Sure, once in a while, you look for the absolute price entry product, but be prepared on the quality issues. Also, I gain nothing from squeezing my supplier out of every cent when he is struggling to fulfill the order and pay his workers. Now, what if I want to place a reorder or need a favor one day? He may not be around anymore and I'll be stuck. Now, in times when a supplier is in trouble because of another customer, you maybe want to even help him. Say he has produced a lot of product that another customer cancelled. I may even refer some customers to him. Trust me, this is really the kind of relationship that is very valuable to you. If you help him, he may offer free samples, discounts on your next order, and so on. I would say there are 6 rules to having a great relationship with your supplier. Make sure there are mutual benefits. Second, respect each other. Third, be fair to each other. 4, trust one another. 5, support each other. And lastly, help each other. Now, having said all that, it doesn't mean I trust my suppliers blindly. You still need to have a few control mechanisms in place, such as inspection or checking the reports and certificates he sends, and not easily accepting price increases. Now, if there are reasonable issues, they can be discussed, but I will sure do my research on the eligibility of his claim.